Now, today again I am visiting the same site where we had discovered the fossilized tree, but now it is all broken due to this cutting of the stone quarry, and we are seeing the remnants of this tree, and I am sure when I come again we are not going to see this again. So I will try to catch and collect whatever specimens I can. So this is the closer view, and here it is. We can see the carbonized part of, and again here also. Now here the barks are very well preserved, and you see the carbonized wood extending right up to that level and into that rock. So it's about more than 10 feet, 20 feet of preservation. Very good, very well preserved fossilized wood. Interesting thing is the entire Kasali formation represent preservation of fossilized tree trunks, result of flooding event in the past, but widening of roads, stone quarries taking its toll, and all the fossilized forest is being destroyed. It will be pity when I come next. This again will not be left here, because I am seeing all these trees which were here initially have been mercilessly cut, brutally murdered. But that is the cost of development we are paying. I will try to take these specimens. So this is a fragile specimen. I have been able to take this. This is a fossilized wood. We can see this, but I don't know how. I don't have anything to quick fix it. So I think when I keep it in the box, most of it will be degenerated. Still, I'll try to keep it in the box. And these two specimens also I'll try to keep. This is hard rock again, and maybe on Monday when I come back I will try to see whether I can ask them and get this tree cut in my presence, so that I can get this organic material well placed. Otherwise it will be all lost, as we are seeing here. Mercilessly the fossilized tree trunk found are brutally being destroyed because of the development activities which are taking place. But that is the fate of these fossilized trees. Nobody is bothered, especially in a country like India. So I'll try to keep these specimens. Try to keep these specimens in this box. It is also already started disintegrating, and I think I will not be able to preserve it. So that is the fragility of it. And now I am going to take these two specimens along